All right, let's make another select statement. Select star from just open a database, and this is database and the table. My fifth database, right? Excuse me, what's happening here? This is the table. Let's look at what the columns you have in the table. Select start from, okay, let's just say the table itself, and execute. So you can see we have a true distribution environment for the results. This takes the first select statement, and the second takes the second select statement. Now, what if I want to bring up this line total here, or probably this product ID. I want to bring up this product ID. Sorry, this product ID here. So what do I do? Or maybe I want to link up these two results. What do I do? I have to join them using a join statement. So let's create another table with what we have here in the Excel sheet. Okay, let me copy. So it's already highlighted, but in case you want to highlight, this is how you do. Shift, this and this, and Shift, select all, then drop, Control C, be selected, and head you back to your environment. Okay, let's say this is the, head to the tables and create a new table. You already know how to create a new table. I've shown you this at the first section of the video. Let's create a new table. You populate it with product ID, product name, let's say color, and we work on the data types. The data type for this product ID should be as integer. Product name as variable varchar, where the characters should not be more than 50. Varchar also let's save, civil, and it's gonna give us let's give it name TBL underscore product. So these have been saved in the system. We can delete. All right, let's populate this table that we just created. Hold on, let's refresh. The table is not here. All right, let's refresh once again. Yeah, so this is the table. Just populate the table, edit first 200, top 200 rows. and you click on here, then Ctrl V to paste the new data sets. You just copy from the Excel sheet. So this is the new data sheet from Excel we want to join together with the previous one we did before. All right. Let's create a new query environment. Let me close this and create another one. Save changes, no. So this is how we create a new query, right? This is select star from this table, product table, right? Let's see what's going to give us. Execute. So it has given us this. It has given the results of the contained data in the table. Let me copy this and go back to and go back here and paste it here. So what I want now is situation. See invalid object name table product. So this is telling us that the system has not recognized that this table is here, in as much as it's enlisted earlier. Okay, so let's activate IntelliSense and let the system know that this table is actually here for making further calculations ahead. So let's go to edit and check on the IntelliSense and refresh local cache. Then normally, okay, you see it gives us space. So let me execute again. Great. So right now you can see these two tables here. The first transaction table, this, and the second product table, this. So what I want to do right now is to link up these two tables together. So how do I do them? I can only do this with a column that has a unique identity. It doesn't matter where the column is in the first or on the last part of the table. So the unique identities here is the product table. Sorry, the product ID. The product ID here and this. So we want to use this to mix them together to get information, to get all these informations in one table. How do we do that? See what I'm saying? Okay, let's head on to work. So in a situation like this, we use a join. We have to join the table. You can have a join the close. Okay, don't forget we are still on the from close. After dealing with select, we are dealing with the from now. After dealing with from, we head on to the next one. But let's make use of a join statement here. So select. What are the informations you want to select from the first table? Let's say I'll select this items again. I'll copy. What did I do? I'll copy. Come down here and paste. So I want to see the product table. I want to see the order quantity. I want to see the unit price from the first table. From first table, which is to drag this here. Meanwhile, let's add a foreshortening so that wherever we are, we can not be dragging the table, but we can put some letters that will identify them as what they represent. So let's say I'm representing this transaction table as T. That means this product column here has to bear this T for us to know that this product ID is coming from the transaction table. Because if you look at the other table, also we have another product ID. So let's go with T dots. Now join product table as P, right? On P, which is product table dot product ID equal where P product table dot product ID, which is the column you want to join them with, is equal to T dot product ID. All right. Okay, let's execute. Meanwhile, let me just add one more column here so that it will be different from what we have initially. We go to the columns. Which other column do we have here? No, which other column do we have here? We have lines total. Okay, let me add lines total here. Lines total. Remember, if you don't put comma in between these columns, the first column will take the name of the last one. So if you don't put comma between unit price and line total, this unit price will take the name of the line total, and instead of the column coming out as line total, coming out a unit price, it will bear the name of line. It will come up with the name of line total. So let's put a comma in between there. So let me execute. Execute. So this is the first select statement. Maybe you have to remove one so that the screen will be clear. Let me execute again. So this is what we're talking about. We have the product ID here. We have the order quantity here, unit price here, and line total here. So okay, I don't have anything that signifies any column coming from the product table. So let me add product. Okay, let me add color here, and product name and product name here. Okay, let me execute. Very good. So right now you can be sure that this product ID is a unique identity that joined the both two tables together, bringing out whichever information we want to select. We want to see the product ID of the transaction table, order quantity, unit price, line total, color, and product name, which are all listed here. All right, that's all for okay. But what situation whereby this product ID does not tally? Let's say the product ID I have, instead of having 6 here, I have 177, or the character changes. What do? You use what we call, if the unique identities are not equal, if the values are not equal, instead of using a join statement, you use a left join. So let's use a left join statement here to bring everything between the both tables together. Left join. right. This left join now will now, after when executed, it will bring in every information from the left table to the right table, which is the first table is the left table and the right table is the second table. I don't know if you're getting me. So this is all for now for this. Okay, the next clause we are going to work on is the where clause. Okay, we are going to work on the where clause.